only 5:30. It's dark outside, but I gotta get up. It only dropped down to 47 degrees in here last night. Snowed a little bit. 33 outside. Ballin'. Awesome! Let's go! Gotta yell loud to get them because they're so far away. Still got some coals from last night. Gonna get that fire going. Oh! 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 There is only one way to acquire tough hands. Woo! Now time to run generators. The pups ain't showing up. They're too far away to hear my calls. So I just gotta wait. Probably daylight, they'll come back. But also, let's go. They're not at. What's up, also? Good morning. Good morning. Oh, goodbye. But well, also came back. What's up, boys? Good morning. What are you guys doing? Do you boys want some dirt meat? Eat. Good boy. It's snowing outside. Stove's going. I'm alive. Pups are alive. Jesse's alive. Hey. Hey. What's up? Think he can see me filming him? I gotta hit the number 2 for the number 2. Jesse's got a crazy day. Good luck, Jesse. The man. Guys, it is coming down. And I got the materials I need to fix this hole in the wall. I actually have a really cool idea. What's up, Buck?
Guys, I was going a little too fast. Freaking drifted into a ditch.
Looks like the boys might be going to explore. They like the snow. They're probably excited it's coming down. What's up? Peace.
Almost took out someone's fence, but I saved it, and we're good now. Nothing even happened. But that was sketch, so.
As you guys can probably imagine, I got quite a bit of editing. I'm gonna do that while keeping this stove going. This fan is working way better now that it's lower, closer to the heat and blowing over the. Pretty cool having the stove level. That's new. I can dry wood under here for kindling in the morning. Kindling holder. This damper works. I gotta be a little careful because I did not do this good. But if I play with her just right, I can control how hot she's burning, how fast she's burning. I got my little chair. I can sit here and load the fire. I don't gotta bend down all the way to the ground. I can sit right here on the couch and chop wood right there. Bam. Chop her up. Load her up. I'm happy with it. It's working out good. Oh, I can easily clean out the ash too because I could put the pot under that. Hopefully the boys don't chase that guy. Jesse is going to pick up that bear meat.
What's up? Yeah, the roads they're messed up.
full bear. Yep, and then
Peace out. It's supposed to drop down to 5 degrees tonight. That's gonna be sick. Pups have been gone all day, and it's been snowing all day. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, that's so big. Did you guys see that? I just got a bunch of snow in my shoe. Pups have been gone all day. I hope they're doing good. I've been editing all day. I wonder how Jesse's doing. Trying to keep the fire near the front as much as I can. She's going hot though. Should be good for tonight. Oh, I have this on there to remind me not to touch it, but I keep touching it. That's getting hot. I'm gonna like that. That should go. Ah! I didn't see the thing. 58 degrees in here. 36 outside. Pups missing, gone forever. Guys, Buck just showed up. What's up, big man? You're snowy and wet. Awesome! Buck's leaving. What's up, big boy? Where's Also? Oh, there's Also. Also! Boys, don't be. What's up, boys? Both the boys are back. They're loving it. They're loving it. They were exploring all night, and now they're exploring all day. I accidentally let the Wi-Fi battery die. You can get touched. Thank you. Sup, Also? Nice. Dang it, 600 at the front. Oh, damn, man, 600 from the back. What? Where's the Buck man? Oh, it's the Buck man. It's the Buck man. What's up, Buck? You want to go inside, dude? What's up? This thing was boiling. Oh, shoot. It's boiling now. Why did we get this snow, my guy? What the heck? Jesse got back from the store, and pretty much right away we got a text from the neighbor saying they needed help.
seems halfway stable. I mean, that's gonna keep them sheltered for a little bit.
Yeah, it's gonna have
couple storms coming through.
I know, baby. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, I got the sense right here.
Ruff. 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 Also. Also. Buck. Guys. Holy smokes. Hey, also. Oh, shit. Not good stuff, huh, Jesse?
Not good stuff.
Stove. Dang. Stove's cooking. Oh. Dang. Dang, it's hotter in the front than it is in the back. Nice. That built up fast. Yeah, I should empty that every day. These are gonna be so hot in the morning. Hey, Buck. Yeet. Oh, we are gonna cook. What are we eating tonight, Jesse? Maybe give her a blow or two. Pause. Oh, shit. Bam. Jesse the master chef. Fire's going. Also sleeping. Buck's telling this log to stay put. Memory foam. Memory foam. Jesse just did. We were kicking it. It's 10:30. I gotta get ready to go to sleep. Oh shit! I already went. Oh, combusted. A little flame. Oh shit! That started going. That started going. Calm down. What's up, guys? It's 12:30. I just got done editing, and I just remembered to get the generator going. So that's not cool. Well, yeah, that's not great. I'm gonna text Jesse to like get the fire going and the generator started in the morning and film what he can. I might sleep in a little bit. I just checked the GoFundMe, dude. For the neighbors, you guys raised $5,000 so far already. I can't thank you guys enough, for real. Appreciate you a ton, bro. That's crazy. I know they will appreciate it. I appreciate it. I fed the boys. It's 50 degrees in here. 22 outside. It's gonna drop down to 7 degrees tonight. I've got the batteries charging. Have to get these bad boys charged before I go to bed. That's only at 10%. Guys, I think that's hot. What do you think? I am trying to get the stove really hot. Maybe not that hot before I go to bed. It's 1:20 a.m. and I have to get these batteries going to bed as soon as that thingy gets to 85. Well, I'm up at 6:30 a.m. That's awesome. That's awesome stuff. If you guys wanted to like the video, that would be so sick. I'd appreciate that. I'm going to have to end this one here, and you guys are going to have to come back in 2 days to see if I can cover this hole in the wall. But you guys need an energy ball with me! Hope you felt that. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day and a beautiful week, and I'm going to see you guys soon. Next time. Willie out.
Hey, I make the glizzy flip, wrap the string around the hook, wait for a tug and reel it in. Hey, I reel it in, looking out for bears, cause Willie eat the same food as him. I should probably buy what's stole, but I can't find one on Craigslist and they expensive at the store. I'm in my bag looking for the silky and the axe. I'm in the river flipping rocks and stones. I'm looking for crawdads.